Imagine a secretive network operating quietly in the shadows of Jamaican society for over a century, influencing the lives of many while maintaining a shroud of mystery. This is not a fictional tale, but the intriguing history of the Friendly Societies movement and, more specifically, the enigmatic order of Oddfellows. Like the video and let's proceed.
Experience the ultimate entertainment with our premium IPTV services in Jamaica. Enjoy instant access to over 17,000 live TV channels, including popular local channels like TVJ and CVM, as well as a wide range of international HD, UHD, and 4K channels. Whether you are a fan of news, sports, movies, or TV series, our service offers an unparalleled viewing experience. Dive into a vast library of over 50,000 of the latest movies and TV series in stunning 4K and HD quality. Our user-friendly platform ensures you never miss a moment of your favorite shows, providing a seamless and high-quality streaming experience. Elevate your home entertainment with the best IPTV service in Jamaica, bringing you closer to the content you love anytime, anywhere. Join thousands of satisfied customers and transform the way you watch TV today.
And remember, you get 70% discount plus 10% free when you use promo code ELITEJA. Now, back to the video. Historical background. The Friendly Societies movement began in the 17th and 18th centuries in Europe, evolving from the burial societies of ancient Greek and Roman artisans. These early groups provided mutual assistance in times of distress, such as illness and death, a tradition carried forward by medieval guilds. By the late 18th century, friendly societies were well established in Britain, offering essential social safety nets. For example, the Manchester Unity of Oddfellows, founded in 1810, became one of the largest and most influential societies, expanding rapidly across Britain. From these roots grew various offshoots, including trade unions, fraternal orders like the International Order of Oddfellows, and life insurance companies. Companies like Guardian Life, established in 1999, and Sagicor Life, originally founded in 1840 as the Barbados Mutual Life Assurance Company, formalized mutual aid principles, offering structured financial protection for families against death, illness, and old age. The Order of Oddfellows in Jamaica. In 1863, amidst a volatile economic and social climate in Jamaica, the Order of Oddfellows offered hope. Jamaica, a colony under Victorian Britain's rigid racial hierarchy, saw Black Jamaicans struggling at the bottom, facing unemployment, poverty, and unrest. The Oddfellows provided poor relief, covered funeral expenses, and offered assistance during illness, old age, disability, and distress. Initially organized by churches, these societies mirrored their British counterparts, becoming vital support networks for the laboring class. The Oddfellows Lodge in Kingston, established in the late 19th century, quickly became a community cornerstone. These lodges were more than financial institutions. They were social hubs where people found solidarity and mutual respect. In contrast, Freemasonry, also imported from Britain, remained exclusive to the middle and upper classes, leaving organizations like the Oddfellows critical for the working poor. Adding to the intrigue, the Oddfellows engaged in peculiar practices to protect their secrecy. For instance, they were known to hide rabbit bones in their lodges, creating an atmosphere of mystery and superstition to deter colonial authorities from prying into their activities. Contributions to society and infrastructure. The Oddfellows played a critical role in the liberation and the support of freed slaves in Jamaica. They were instrumental in building a network of tunnels that provided escape routes and safe passages for those fleeing enslavement. These tunnels, often constructed in secret, were a lifeline for many, allowing them to reach safe havens and start new lives. The Oddfellows' commitment to aiding freed slaves was not just about escape, but also about ensuring their successful integration into society. They provided education, vocational training, and financial support, helping former slaves to build sustainable lives. Interestingly, some of the buildings discovered in my vlogs could have been constructed by the Oddfellows or under their influence. Their architectural contributions often reflected the need for discrete, multifunctional structures that served both public and covert purposes. These buildings were not only community centers, but also places of refuge and resource distribution for freed slaves. Growth and influence. By 1903, the idea of friendly societies had spread widely in Jamaica, with about 25 societies registered. The movement continued to grow, and today, approximately 351 societies are registered under the regulation and supervision of the Department of Cooperatives and Friendly Societies. Throughout the 20th century, these societies adapted to changing social and economic conditions. During the Great Depression of the 1930s, friendly societies provided crucial support to members facing unemployment and economic hardship. In the post-World War II era, as Jamaica moved towards independence, these societies continued to play a vital role in community development and social cohesion. While some societies have lost their zeal, becoming victims of individualism and changing times, others remain steadfast. Loyal members passionately preserve this way of life, continuing to provide support to many, regardless of financial or social status. Rituals and practices. The Oddfellows are known for their rich tapestry of rituals and traditions, which serve to foster a sense of unity and identity among members. These rituals often involve elaborate ceremonies for initiating new members, conducting meetings, and celebrating milestones. The initiation process, for example, is designed to impress upon new members the values and principles of the order, such as friendship, love, and truth. One of the most notable aspects of Oddfellows rituals is the use of symbolic regalia. Members wear distinctive regalia, including sashes, aprons, and collars adorned with symbols and insignia representing the order's values and history. These items are often passed down through generations, adding to their historical and sentimental value. The meetings themselves are conducted with a formal structure, often beginning with an opening ceremony that includes the recitation of the order's motto and the lighting of symbolic candles. During these meetings, members discuss the business of the lodge, plan charitable activities, and provide support to those in need. The atmosphere is one of mutual respect and camaraderie, with a strong emphasis on maintaining the traditions and values of the order. Beliefs and worship. The Oddfellows are not considered a cult, despite their secretive nature and elaborate rituals. They are a fraternal organization with a strong emphasis on moral and ethical values, including charity, friendship, and truth. Members often come from diverse religious backgrounds, and the order does not prescribe a specific deity or religious practice. However, many lodges incorporate elements of Christian worship into their ceremonies, reflecting the predominant religious beliefs of their members. The dark side. The legacy of the Order of Oddfellows and similar organizations is not without controversy. These societies, with their secretive nature and fraternal exclusivity, have often been viewed with suspicion. Critics argue that clandestine operations can lead to unchecked power and influence. Accusations of corruption, favoritism, and the perpetuation of social hierarchies have plagued these groups. The secrecy surrounding their financial dealings and internal governance has sometimes shielded them from accountability, raising concerns about fund misuse and member exploitation. In the early 20th century, several cases in Britain and the United States saw members of friendly societies accused of embezzling funds. These scandals tarnished the reputation of some societies and led to calls for greater regulation and transparency. Similar concerns in Jamaica highlight the need for robust oversight and accountability. Life insurance companies and their role. Life insurance companies and the offshoot of the Friendly Societies movement have profoundly impacted society. They provide financial security to families, ensuring that the death of a breadwinner does not lead to financial ruin. Companies like Guardian Life, established in 1999, and Sagicor Life, originally founded in 1840 as the Barbados Mutual Life Assurance Society, have played crucial roles in providing financial security and supporting economic development. The connection between fraternal orders and life insurance companies is significant. Both are built on principles of mutual aid and financial protection, supporting individuals and families through difficult times. However, life insurance companies, like fraternal orders, have faced criticism. High premiums, complex policy terms, and occasionally unscrupulous practices have marred their reputation. In some cases, opaque policy terms and high premiums have led to accusations of exploitation, particularly of vulnerable populations. Despite the challenges, there has been renewed interest in friendly and benevolent societies. Members are once again utilizing these organizations for social well-being and community development. The legacy of the Order of Oddfellows and other such societies in Jamaica remains a testament to mutual aid's power and community bonds' enduring strength. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in these societies, as people seek alternative forms of social and financial support. For example, in 2013, the Jamaican government launched a campaign to revive and promote friendly societies as a means of community development and poverty alleviation. This initiative highlighted the ongoing relevance of these organizations in addressing contemporary social and economic challenges. So, have you heard about the Oddfellows? This clandestine organization, with its roots deep in mutual aid and fraternal support history, has played a significant role in Jamaican society for over a century. Its story is one of resilience, community, and the enduring power of coming together to face life's challenges. As we delve into the intriguing world of the Oddfellows, we uncover a legacy that continues to influence and inspire, reminding us of the profound impact of unity and support in the face of adversity. Yet it also serves as a reminder of the complexities and the potential pitfalls of secretive organizations and the importance of transparency and accountability in any form of communal support. In our next video, we'll take a look at the 10 influential families that control wealth and power in Jamaica. If you found this video interesting or informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so by clicking the subscribe button and click the bell icon also. Turn on notifications so that you always receive a notification whenever time I upload new videos. Until we meet again here on Elite Jamaica, just want to say thank you for watching. Stay blessed.